Hello, here I'm gonna show you how to enable the Steam built-in FPS counter in CS2. To do it, open the overlay by clicking Shift and Tab at the same time. Then locate Settings, is the second option from the right. Go to the In-Game tab and find In-Game FPS counter. Now you have turn it on by choosing one of these options. For me it will be, I guess, top right. And you can also activate in-game FPS counter high contrast color to see more clearly the FPSs in the right top corner. You can see it right now. It works. So that's all for today. Thanks for watching and see you next time. Bye!